lab on a leash and harness behind a mountain longboard. Done this in the past with my other pup, lab Shar-Pei mix, Sadie, but she's getting a little too old to do it, and so now she likes to lay around and play, not as much, but I got a 9-month-old that has more than enough energy to take me around the block or two. So we'll see how that goes. Hey, hold on, Maverick. You ready? Maverick, come on. There we go. Maverick, come here. Come on, Maverick. Come on. Okay, don't go too fast. All right. Hold on. Oh, Maverick. All right, you ready? Come on, Maverick. Come on. Come on. Come on. Go get him. Go get him. Go get him. Come on. Good boy. Go get him. Go get him. All right. Oh my goodness. No, where you going? Keep going. All right. Woo, I'm getting wet. Come on, Maverick. Come on, let's get him. Come on, Maverick, let's get him. No, come on, Maverick, this way. Woo! All right, hold up. All right, Maverick, inside. All right, come on, Maverick, Maverick, let's go. Let's go, come on. We'll be back. Come on, Maverick, let's get her. Let's get her, come on. Come on, get her. Good boy, come on, let's get her. Going actually a lot better than I thought. Oh man, even though I got a handbrake on this thing, it slows down but doesn't stop. Come on, Maverick, get her. Slowing down. No, come on, Maverick, come on. Maverick, come on, no, Maverick. Come on, there you go, boy, keep going. Good boy. Oh my goodness, well, there you go. Ew, come here, Maverick, go. Maverick, come here. What's this? Oh, almost went over. Come on, Maverick, come on. Good boy, come here. Well, there you have it. After 2 runs with the 9-month-old lab, he still has plenty of energy to keep running, keep playing fetch. And please like and subscribe. And until next time, have a great one.